Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to today's pre-market report. That is for Friday, that is 19 December 2025. Let's quickly break down global cues, institutional flows, commodities, ADRs, currencies, and key news. So you are fully prepared before the opening bell. The markets are likely to open on a positive note today, supported by strong global cues and continued institutional participation. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,958, which is up by about 85 points, clearly indicating a gap up start for our domestic indices. This positive setup suggests confidence is building back after recent volatility. Now, let's look at institutional activity. Strong domestic support, looking at Friday's institutional data, is the tone was clearly supportive. DIs were strong net buyers with 2,525 crores. FIIs also turned buyers at 614 crores. This is an important signal. When both FIIs and DIs buy together, it usually adds stability to the market and helps absorb any short-term profit booking. Now, let's look at global cues. US market rallied yesterday. US markets closed firmly higher, providing a solid global tailwind. Dow Jones futures is trading at 48,298, which is up by 347 points. S&P 500 closed near 6784, which is up by 62 points. Nasdaq around 23,004, which is up by 311 points. So, why did US markets perform well? A strong performance in technology stocks. Cooling bond yields eased pressure on growth stocks. Expectations that global central banks may turn less aggressive going forward. So, the strong Nasdaq rally is especially positive for Indian IT stocks today. Now, coming to the important global event for today, that is to watch Japan's interest rate decision. As of now, markets are awaiting clarity on whether Japan will go ahead with the rate hike. If Japan hikes its rates, it could strengthen the yen, lead to short-term volatility in global equities, impact carry trades across emerging markets, including India. I'll be doing a separate detailed video explaining how Japan rate hike can affect Indian markets. So stay tuned for that. I'm just waiting for the Japan's result. Now, let's quickly look at Indian ADRs performance, which gives us a cue for today's opening. Infosys ADR is up over 5%, a strong positive signal for IT stocks. HDFC Bank ADR marginally positive, indicating stability. ICICI Bank ADR slightly higher, supportive for banking sentiment. Wipro ADR modest gains, positive undertone. So overall, IT and frontline banking stocks look well placed at a start. Now coming to commodities. Commodities are showing mild consolidation. Brent crude around $59.71, slightly lower. Crude oil near $55, marginally down. Gold trading around $4324, mildly soft. Silver performance. Silver consolidated yesterday and closed at 2,04,100 rupees per kg. After a recent sharp rally, this consolidation is healthy and suggests strength is intact. Now, coming to currency check. USD INR is currently trading near 90.25 rupees. A stable rupee around these levels is neutral to slightly positive for overall market, especially for import-heavy sectors. So, what's driving sentiment? Continued institutional buying is boosting confidence. Strong US tech rally supporting Indian IT stocks. Commodity prices remain under control, easing inflation worries. Markets are cautiously optimistic ahead of major global central bank signals. So, what to watch today as you head into the trading session? Keep an eye on IT stocks tracking Nasdaq momentum, banking stocks supported by steady ADR cues, and the global headlines, especially around Japan's interest rate hike decision. This could be volatile. Nifty levels around 25,900 and 26,000, which will act as an important support zone. To summarize today, global cues are strong, institutional flows are supportive, GIFT Nifty signals a positive start, broader sentiment remains cautiously optimistic. So, trade with discipline, manage your risk well, and avoid chasing prices at the open. I'll see you in the next update, and don't miss the Japan interest rate impact video coming in shortly. Akash Bacha, SEBI registered research analyst and founder at Wealth Origin. Have a profitable trading day ahead.